Hello! Welcome to another video with Dgleefilms. Today I am switching things up a bit. I am going to show you guys how to make simple weights at home so that you can work out and stay healthy during this pandemic. It only uses 3 things. It's super simple and you'll be able to lift. The 3 things that you need are a pole, you need water bottles, and you need tape. For the pole, you want a pole at least 4 feet in length, and what you want to do is, if it's metal and if it's uncomfortable to hold for a period of time, just tape it all around. After that, you want to tape or just mark the center and then measure the length so that it's equal, and then you want to tape your handles. And the most important part, you want to make some ridges here with tape just to give it some texture so that when you put the weights on each end, it doesn't slide. And then you also want to add the last part, which is the lock. And this is just to prevent the water or the weight to slide further down the pole. And you do that for both sides and you have your pole. Now for the weights, you want to get 4 water bottles, put them together in a square, and then tape it. And you want to tape it around like I did at the center, the bottom, and the top. And then once you have your base 4 in a square, you want to add however many you want to the side. Just make sure that it's even so that it kind of balances itself. And then literally just tape it all around with good tape, duct tape. Some people might say that it's a waste of tape, but anyways, do that and then make 2 sets of those, and you have simple weights that you can use at home to work out and stay healthy. And it actually works pretty well. I'm going to demonstrate some exercises that you can do while using these type of stuff. So there you go guys, simple weights that you can make at home with 3 things. And yeah, I hope you guys give it a try and work out, stay healthy during this pandemic. If you have any questions, let me know, I'll be happy to help. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks guys.